Well, from the bridge of the Here's to Us, we are heading from Port Washington this morning, and we kind of delayed a little bit for the fog, but the fog's still kind of hanging around, although it's improving. Rev says she doesn't think it's improving much, but it's at least
I don't like
eighth
the
of a
looks
mile
of it.
visibility. And we're gonna head down to Milwaukee to McKinley Marina. Distance about 29 miles, so let's go.
You need to go over toward the dock a little. They have some kind of line because, you know, you're right close to this piling thing that they have. Thank you, you too. All right, not yet. Yeah, that line came straight out from the piling to the dock. Now, pivot now. Looking good, Sammy. It doesn't look foggy here, but it is. It's foggy all around us. How you doing in the front there? Not good. All right. Whew. A lot of fog. There are little ducks over there on the platform. Was that your foghorn? Well, they've started already. I can hear foghorns out there. Port Washington Marina is a fantastic place. Highly recommend. It's huge. There's a lot of boats in here. How do you like the view? Huh? Can't really see anything, but it's there and it's beautiful. You'll see it someday. A barge and a fishing boat.
Where's the fishing
coming
boat?
in right there. You see it?
Fishing boat, yeah.
Oh, there's a little one right in front of you. I can't tell which way he's going. Okay, all right. Okay, starting to see that in the view now. There's another boat behind the fishing boat on the left. Do you see him? Mm-hmm. Yeah, over here. When do you start laying on the foghorn? Okay. If the fishermen are coming back in, what does that mean?
Well, usually probably went out early this morning. They're ready to clean their fish.
Nice try. Okay. Here we go. Out into nothing. Don't know if you can see that fisherman and that tower over there. And right out here, Sam, there's another boat on the right hand side. Pretty big boat. Do you see it? Okay. I'm being the lookout here in the, I would call this dense fog. What would you call it, Sam? It's pretty foggy. It's a, what do you call that? Time of restricted visibility, yeah. So I have been up here on the front of the boat watching for other boats because the visibility is very low. And my eyes have been playing tricks on me. Sam says we are parallel to Wisconsin. The land is over there. But I swear I see trees. I hit the deck. I'm fine. I was just unexpected because we've had 0 feet until this. We got some questionable wave action here. Since we left the marina, it was 0 feet. And now, I don't know, I feel like I'm on a roller coaster ride. Yeah, something's out there that we can't see that was going fast, and now we're riding right in the waves. Yeah, but is it still happening? I mean, could there be this many? Okay. Oh no, don't hit the horn. I'm right here in the front. Hang on. I'm fine, but just don't hit the horn. Oh yeah, I'm fine. Yes, almost. Okay, ready. Sam hit the horn, as you could tell. So this is pretty much our morning so far.
All right, we are underway, and kind of one of those days I kind of wish maybe we weren't underway. Came out here thinking this would burn off. Got out, evaded a couple fishing boats that were coming in, turned on the radar, and I didn't seem to have any targets, not even the land. So I recycled the radar circuit breaker switch, and the radar is back, and we have been sounding horn signals. Here goes another one. Every 2 minutes, 4 to 6, 7 seconds, a prolonged blast. When we did pick up the radar, we have a target at our 10 o'clock for looks like 0.2 miles or so, and that is a sailing vessel that has AIS and could see us, but we can't see him because he doesn't transmit. Well, the good thing is he called us on 16, switched him over to channel 68, and we confirmed that that is him out there as a target. And we were kind of looking for him, but we have him on radar. We're not a conflict, and we asked him to stay on channel 68, and we'll kind of keep each other advised as to what we see from AIS or radar. So it does appear to me, I know Rev is going to not agree, but it does appear to me that it is starting to lift a little bit. And we do see out there off to the right, we can kind of pick out the land and some convective activity, or at least clouds starting to form, which means there is some updraft, and they should get some wind going and get this out of here. But anyway, one of those days where you kind of go like, you know what, maybe this wasn't a great idea, but it's good practice. So we're just going to keep it slow, keep a good lookout, using all our available tools here, and take it easy.
Now for my side of the story. This is a bad day. I'm freaking out. I'm trying not to freak out, but you know, it's my nature. I think they call this a pea soup kind of day. You know, you can't really see anything out there. So I'm not enjoying myself at all. So, Captain, what do you have to say for yourself?
I say it worked out. We now have 2 miles visibility. And one of the good things is we really got to exercise some of our skills of the radar and talking on radio, coordinating with the sales call, a boat by the name of Sales Call out there. They had half of an AIS and they saw us. We could hear the fog signals, and everything worked out okay. And you just take it slow and follow your course. Post a lookout, use the radar, and
honk the horn.
Yeah, fog signals. So it all worked out, and it's good to practice that stuff. At some point there, I was agreeing with Rev. It would have been a better idea to stay in, but it's working out. As we come up on the skyline of Milwaukee, very nice day. Getting into McKinley Marina was no problem. We went into the fuel dock first and topped off there with a very competitive price, also got pumped out. We had a great time in Milwaukee, and it's worthy of a 3 or 4 day stay there. We also got to visit with my friend Jack from flight school, hadn't seen for 42 years, and had dinner with Jack and his wife Kay.
We just left McKinley Marina, helicopter action, downtown Milwaukee over there. We are going over here down the river, up the river.
Yeah, up the river.
To Skipper Bud's.
Yeah, I wanted to see a little bit of downtown here, so going through the yellow bridge there. Not exactly sure what the technical term is. Hone Bridge, I think, but I'm going to go up the river, dock at Skipper Bud's, and have some lunch. I hope you're good on that regular,
dude. Sam? Who's he talking to? How do you know if you're the dude or not? We are at McKinley Marina in Milwaukee, and what a great marina. It's huge, but it is a fantastic place. The people are awesome. Everybody we met was just so welcoming and warm, and if you can get over here to Milwaukee, to McKinley Marina, you should definitely add it to your itinerary.